Can get Kerwin over my dead body.
This is the response of PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa on Senator Laila de Lima's statement that alleged drug lord Kerwin Espinosa will be killed, just like his father, Albuera Leyte Mayor Rolando Espinosa. Mayor Espinosa died while in detention at the Leyte Sub-Provincial Jail early this month after a supposed shootout with policemen. De la Rosa says they are giving their best to ensure Kerwin's safety.
Mabuti pa siya at alam niya kung anong mangyayari kay Kerwin. Kami are trying very hard to secure him. At siya, predict na niya, napapatayin. Bakit naman gano'n yung pag-iisip ng isang tao?
De la Rosa says Kerwin is still finalizing his affidavit after his return to the country on Friday. Kerwin promised to tell everything he knows about the illegal drug trade in the country. De la Rosa says investigators from the National Bureau of Investigation and the Justice Department are in Camp Crame to join the police investigators in getting Kerwin's sworn affidavit. De Lima earlier said that she expects that Kerwin will name her among those who are involved in the illegal drug trade. But the PNP chief refused to comment, saying that he doesn't want to preempt the Senate probe on Wednesday. De la Rosa says Kerwin told him about some politicians who received drug money in the last elections. The PNP confirms Kerwin will face a Senate probe on extrajudicial killings on Wednesday at the Senate. George Cahiles, CNN Philippines.